Samsung didn't just release a new phone, they released a monster. This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today we're testing if this is the most powerful smartphone in the world right now. First impression, premium, heavy, powerful. The S26 Ultra keeps that sharp, boxy Ultra design, but it feels even more refined. The display? Absolutely insane. Super bright, ultra smooth refresh rate, perfect for watching content outdoors. This is one of the best displays on any smartphone, period. This is where Samsung flexes. Detail is crazy, colors are vibrant, dynamic range is flagship level, and the zoom? This phone sees things your eyes can't. Low light performance is brighter, sharper, and more stable than ever. If you're a content creator, this might replace your camera. Let's talk power. Heavy gaming test. No frame drops, no overheating, fast app switching. This phone doesn't just handle multitasking, it dominates it. All-day battery, no stress. Even with gaming, video recording, and social media, it easily lasts a full day. Fast charging? Super quick. No other flagship gives you this. Signing documents, editing photos, taking notes. The S Pen is still something only Samsung offers at this level. Compared to iPhone, more zoom power. Compared to Pixel, more customization. Compared to most Androids, more everything. So, should you buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra? If you want the best zoom camera, one of the best displays ever, extreme performance, productivity power, this is easily one of the best smartphones of 2026. If you enjoyed this honest review, hit that like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, S26 Ultra or iPhone this year.